Hey, a bunch of you have asked about exactly what pages you're going to need for the shell of your Google site when we first begin the multimodal presentation. So I'm here to just quickly explain to you exactly what those 4 pages are and how some of your classmates' work may not be up to snuff so far, but easily fixed with just a couple of moderations, a couple of additions. So the 4 things I want you to deal with are the background, or basically your home page. This is going to be kind of what your first paragraph, your introduction, tells us. And I want you to entitle the entire site with your subject matter, not research paper, but the actual idea you're going for. Organ donation, supersonic flight, whatever that may be. The second link is going to be to your research paper as a whole, and you're able to embed that very easily with some of the tools that Google Sites enables for you. Then you're going to eventually write a reflection on what this process was like, and I'm going to have you do that a little bit each week, so this is something you can just, again, cut and paste, throw in there, good to go. Finally, the works cited. These 4 pages, home with the background, your subject matter, research paper 2, 3, research reflection, and 4, works cited, make up the shell of your overall page or your paper. And so you can see eventually you guys are going to also add a couple of other ideas. This is one of your classmates who has added a real life case and then what's in place today for international regulations on his subject matter. So let's delve into exactly what this might look like. Here's an example of somebody who has the homepage up. Obviously, we know what it's about, but we don't see any of the other pages. We don't have any background information yet, which is not a big deal. He's got some placeholders here for some images, which is great, but I don't see those sub-pages dealing with the research paper, the reflection, and the works cited. Same thing here. The title obviously helps us out a great deal. The student chose to use his research question to open it up. I know it's about electric vehicles, but I don't see any of the 4 sub pages for this. So let's take a look at what some of your classmates did who did it well. Everybody seems to be using a relatively similar theme, and we're going to get you guys to kind of change that. But here we have home, research paper, research reflection, and works cited. So when you guys who are able to edit your own sites, click on the little icon on the bottom right that says edit, all you're going to do is add a page at the top. Here's somebody who has home, research paper, reflection, works cited. Good to go. Home, research paper, research reflection, works cited. Again, you can see that a lot of people are using this basic shell, and that's something I'd like you to get to work on and kind of choose and explore some of the other themes. Or begin adding some of the same images that maybe I have used, or finding some sort of background to spice it up a little bit. And eventually you guys are going to add at least 2 more pages that deal with the subtopics of your paper. So I hope this short little video helped you out today, and good luck.